Welcome back. So, after a long discussion with the cops, they give me a punishment because I don't want to go to jail. So they give me a penalty which I have to pay. Until I paid off my penalty. The cops have seized all my houses. Look at this. As you have seen, all my houses are seized. And all my cars are also seized with the house. They shifted my M2 G-Wagon Chiron to my house as they don't want to park that in their parking lot. So they shifted to the house and seized all with the house. So right now I don't have any access to my car and houses. So I am looking for a cab. Then I will go to some showroom to buy a car, because I am not getting my car to use at least a week. So I need a car to drive and every time I can't take just a daily car, not too expensive. Finally got a cab. Now let's go to a showroom. Let's check out this showroom. Should I go with a BMW? But I want to try something different. What you say about this Porsche? But I don't think this is fun to drive car. Let's check some other dealership. In front of us there is another dealership. Let's go there. If we got something airtight. All cars I had already bought. Let's check out this Mustang. Looking good. And it's cheap. Let's buy this. Let's take it to do some customization. Otherwise it does not look like our pick garage car. Let's do the modification. Finally it's ready. But you can't understand anything due to no sunlight. But for now let's go to one of our house, about which cops don't know. And I also do not go to that house. So you can say it's like a secret house. This is the house which I am talking about. This house I have bought many days ago, but I didn't use it as such. So for a few days we will stay here. Tomorrow, I will show you the Mustang modification in daylight. Very small parking. Only 2 cars can park. And this house is so low that my 6x6 got stuck while entering the garage. Very soon I will pay the penalty and free all my cars and houses. Subscribe, share, comment, like.